and how would you sharpen up the eyes with everything? Well, if you watched the last video, the other one where we had this same model brook here, you're going to go sharpen. All right, it's right over here. Click the sharpen tool. I am going to start at about 46%. And I'm going to go, the rule here is you want to keep this right about, right about there. So you want to keep it within the eye. You want to be able to do like one swipe over. Then I would hit these lashes to bring those out. Look at that. All right. And then I'm going to hit the eyebrows. Okay. I'm going to hit the nose ring. Of course, I'm going to do the lips. Right. You can hit the jewelry if you wanted to. I'm not going to. Right. But we're not done with the eyes here. So that was just sharpening. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the dodge tool. Okay. This is where we're going to get some really cool looks. All right. All right. I'm going to go through all the settings here. Now, if we did shadows at 60% exposure, you change your exposure up here, or your level, right? You can go ahead and see. It's going to lighten her eyes up. I do not like that effect. Midtones. It's going to brighten those eyes up. Still don't like it. But the highlights you'll notice. Now, this at 60% will probably burn. See, that's still a little too much. So we're going to go ahead and jump that down to 39%. We're just going to carry through that eye, and then we're going to dab that eye once or twice more. Okay. And we're going to do the same over here. I think that is just the right amount. But now we are going to back out a little bit. And her eyes are really nice. Okay. Alternatively, if you wanted to turn down the color, we would burn. Why this is really big is if I wanted to burn, get darker, 70% shadow, right? Look at that. Control Z. I like the amount of light that's on her right now. But if we wanted to play with that around the face, it's too dark. Even though we're painting a little bit here. Highlights, too dark. All right, now let's do the same thing with the dodge tool. That was about 1100. Too bright for highlights. Midtones. Ooh, that actually might give her a nice look. Ooh. Ooh, I like. Let me hit Control Z and let's hit shadows one time here. Shadows ain't doing it. It's the midtones that perfect. Look at that. I really like that. I really like taking the dodge and burn tools and setting them around my model's faces, having it be the focal point here. But let's go through and let's hit the last part of this.